Hey kids, today we learn small letter alphabet. Let's start today class. A for apple. B for banana. C for cake. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for potato. Q for queen. R for rocket. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching kids. अगर आप इस तरह की और वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं, लिंक्स आर गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.